Let's talk about the post-mortem problem. I talk to engineers and leaders all the time about post-mortems, and I've written and read so many of them in my career, and it's always the same story. They take forever to put together. The first draft is really, really painful. No one really reads them unless they're excellent, and the follow-ups rarely get done. It's such a shame because to me, the learning and the insight you get from a post-mortem, the things you actually do to prevent the problems happening again, that's the valuable bit. You've already paid for your incident. Now you need to get your money's worth. Today, we're releasing our new post-mortems experience, and I'm going to talk you through some of the bits that I'm most excited about. It all starts the moment you close an incident. If you've ever written a post-mortem, you know what normally happens next. You spend 3 hours pulling things together, trawling through Slack, piecing together timelines, and honestly just trying to chase down who did what and when. Doing this is so tedious and it takes forever, and often it's the reason I think most postmortems either never get written or they get written really badly because someone's just trying to rush it out the door and check a box. Well, Incident.io can now do all of that for you and combine it with everything we know about your incident, every status update, every pull request, all of the customers that were affected, even investigations from AISRE. You can start your post-mortem process with a first draft in just seconds. No generic templates, no filler, just a tailored, real, data-rich draft which helps you jump straight into reviewing and refining mode, which is the bit that we're best at. We've redesigned our editor experience from the ground up. Incident data is woven directly into the document. Your timeline, the people involved, affected services, all kept up to date in real time. You can directly reference pull requests, Slack channels, entries from your catalog. We've built countless other features that improve the reading and writing experience, and the result is a post-mortem rich in context, not just words on a page. So you've got a solid draft, maybe made a few edits, a few tweaks, and you're feeling pretty happy with what you've written. The next question is it actually any good? Now, normally what I'd want to do is I'd get a review from a colleague, and I think I will always do that. I don't think that's going to change. But what if I could sense check what I've written for detail, context, clarity, before I need to send it to anyone on my team? You can now review post-mortem drafts against real incident data. That means we can flag missing follow-ups, we can spot gaps in analysis, or we could cross-reference what you've written with what actually happened in your incident. It's like having a second pair of eyes that knows your incident inside out, and it's got your back on any details that you might have missed. My favorite part is we're not just aware of this incident. It learns from every post-mortem my team writes, which means we're leveling up not just the quality of the document we're talking about now, but of all the post-mortems we're going to write in the future. And we haven't stopped there. Not only can we provide you feedback, we can also help you action it. So whether it's tightening up the writing, tailoring it for a specific audience, or, and this is something I love, being able to pull in context that I know exists, but hasn't yet made it into the document. Simply select any section and tell us how we can help. Maybe I want to elaborate on the details of a technical fix. Maybe I want to pull in data from Salesforce to better articulate customer impact. We know everything about your incident, not just what's written on the page. And that's something that no other editor can do. For many incidents, that might be enough. You've learned what you needed to, you share it with your team, you call it a day. But for a lot of teams, like mine included, the real value comes in the conversations you have next. It's getting in a room. It's having someone facilitate a fantastic, why did this happen conversation so that you can extract every ounce of learning. We've brought the power of Scribe to postmortems. You can add Scribe to any meeting and it will transcribe the entire conversation and pull keynotes right into the document. Any extra follow-ups, any key points that haven't been captured in the postmortem yet, we make sure none of them get missed. If you need your postmortem to be stored in a different system of record, that's fine too. You can use workflows to automatically export completed postmortems to systems like Confluence, Notion, Google Docs, and share them with your team. And if you want to take your postmortem data and plug it into internal systems, everything's available through our public API. And last but not least, for the people whose job it is to keep track of all of this and to make sure every postmortem actually gets done, we've built a full postmortem dashboard. See all outstanding postmortems in one place, filter them by status, by due date, overdue items, see the number of follow-ups and more. Postmortems are so valuable, and now they're even easier to produce than ever before. With AI to help you draft, write and review them, a collaborative editor tailor-made for editing them, and automated note-taking for debriefs with Scribe. Everything we've built has been designed to help you get the most out of every post-mortem. It's changed how my team think about post-mortems, and we're seeing the same with our beta customers. I'm so proud of the team, and I think they've done an incredible job, and I can't wait to see what you think.